Shrimp health benefits. Shrimp, those tiny crustaceans with a big flavor, are more than just a delicious seafood delicacy. They're packed with nutrients that can benefit your health in surprising ways. Let's dive into the world of shrimp and discover why they should be a staple in your diet. Shrimp are a great source of lean protein, essential for building and repairing tissues throughout your body. They're also low in fat, making them a healthy choice for those watching their weight. But that's not all. Shrimp are rich in essential minerals like iodine, selenium, and phosphorus, which play vital roles in various bodily functions. Iodine, for example, is crucial for thyroid health, which regulates metabolism. Selenium is an antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage. And phosphorus is essential for strong bones and teeth. So, not only are shrimp tasty, but they're also a nutritional powerhouse. Shrimp are also a good source of omega-3 fatty acids, which have been linked to heart health benefits. These healthy fats can help lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Whether you enjoy them grilled, fried, sautéed, or in a salad, shrimp can be incorporated into countless delicious and nutritious meals. So, the next time you're looking for a tasty and healthy seafood option, remember the benefits of shrimp. If you like this video, like, share, comment, and subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching.